mas malakas or mas madami with your teammates and do not stop and moving inside the court.
Galang pushes. Mondoñedo sends it to the open. Chai Troncoso gets on the scoreboard.
A better open hit from Chai Troncoso. We've seen. Oh,
service ace. Chai Troncoso with back-to-back points.
Good float serve. Kahit na ngayon pa lang sila nagkasama sa team with Zeus Coffee.
And we've seen the improvement, how big it was compared to last conference.
That's
One of the more improved teams here in the PVL. In the meantime, Troncoso will get the point there.
Yeah, it was actually outside. Her open hit was outside, but someone touched the net on the side of Cheritigo. Nag-sub siya as an open hitter. And this time, third set and fourth set as an opposite hitter. So talagang gamay ni Pauline lahat ng pwesto, which is very good.
Nice dig by Adorador. Pauline again. Arroyo comes in sweeping. Troncoso. One more time for Gaston. Versosa ups it. Now the transition to Gamit. Pump set. Galang with the roll. And the rally continues. Troncoso with some power and velocity. Adorador to cut this lead down to 1. Now she's serving. Straight to Santiago. Mondoñedo. Straight to Troncoso. Chai Troncoso time and time again just giving the big points, the timely points in this game.
Agree, but though Nunag was already there and she read well, and to do your job, and that's what Pascual did, contributing points off the bench.
Adorador slowed down by the blockers that time. Troncoso was checked. Back set, pipe. What a dig there by Pauline. Adorador reloads, and it's still alive. Great hustle by Zeus. Here comes Nabor. 1-2 play will not work. Chai Troncoso with a drop ball.
Power tip.
Smart tip there by Troncoso. But actually, it all started with the defense and a good read.
Alina Bicar.
That's too low.
Cagate, a bump set. Gonzaga. That one was denied. Troncoso denied as well. Great net defense. One more time for Troncoso, who finds a wide open middle.
Sayang dahil kita na yun ang mga defense ng Cheritigo, but just a miscommunication on who.
Down the liner. Quiet na lang ako. Just waited for it to happen. In the meantime,
over ball received from Cheritigo. Giving.
Kate Santiago is in the game for the first time. Troncoso now serving. Oh, it's inside.
Right in the corner pocket of Cheritigo. That's the third service ace from the Thunderbelt.
That is what experience can teach. Cagate with the help of the net. Back set, Cesar Robles. Mondoñedo with the coverage. Here comes Gonzaga. Nice dive by Adorador. Aragalang will try, but Chini Arroyo was there. Troncoso to counter. Oh, drop ball. So that's two veterans with 2 straight points. And now Sam Corrales is ready for a report. Sam?